Hi everyone, I just wanted to take you through week number 7 of quarter one's instructional module. So first and foremost, always check your inbox for emails from me for the week and announcements. So if we click on and go to announcements, it'll show you the weekly announcements for week number 7, and I'll go through those first. So for this week, you're going to complete the following assignments. So this week's test is a trunk lift test. So you guys are going to do that, and you have until Thursday if you're in my Monday, Wednesday class, and if you're in my Tuesday, Thursday classes, you have until Friday. You'll have a weight training quiz. So you'll have do the weight training readings, and then you'll have 30 minutes to complete the quiz. And for my Monday, Wednesday classes, that'll be due on Monday, and the Tuesday class, it'll be due Tuesday. Then you will also have a fitness log to complete, and this week you are going to choose your own workout. I've also posted a WOD or a module with CrossFit WODs on there, so if you don't have anything to do or you're not sure what to do, you can choose one of those workouts out as well, but I'll talk about that in a little bit. That one's due on Monday, and for the Tuesday class, that'll be due Tuesday. And then you'll have 2 assignments due Wednesday/Thursday. You have your weekly mile run. That's due Wednesday for the Wednesday kids, and then Thursday for the 4th and Z period classes. And then you have your exercise research project number 2 discussion board, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. And that one is going to be due on Wednesday for the 1 through, or actually A through 3 periods, and it's due Thursday for the 4th through Z periods. Okay, so those are announcements, and always check there because you'll have all the information you need. It's always color coded for you, so you can find everything pretty easily. So let me go ahead and jump into modules. So for the modules, you'll notice once again that everything's locked. So what you need to make sure that you do is you watch the instructional video. Once you watch the instructional video, it will unlock the rest of the files. So if I click on instructional video, and you'll watch the video that you're watching now, and then when you click next, it will take you to the PFT trunk lift instructional video. So it shows you how to do this. You could probably do it by yourself, but it does help to have maybe like a parent or a sibling just measure you. But watch the video and it'll show you how. This one's probably the easiest test to take. It really takes like 10 seconds, maybe even less. You're just laying flat on your bellies, arms at your side, and then you're just lifting up your upper body to see how flexible your core is. And usually you can use like a measuring stick or a ruler to see how high up you go. If you don't have that, I just usually will find something that is at least 1 foot in length. And if you clear that with your chin, then more than likely you've passed the test. So you can pretty much do it on your own, or if, like I said, if you have someone holding a ruler, they can measure for you. And if it's over a foot, then you can just mark 12 and then submit that to me. So you'll just record your score, and you'll notice that the assignment is locked. So when you click on it, it should have a blue button to submit it tomorrow, or actually as of Monday. And then you'll go to the weight training information page. So I have just a reading you can go through, and it's from Healthline, just basics about weight training. And then once you've read that, you'll go to your quiz, and then you can click on your weight training quiz. And like I said, this is locked until Monday morning, but you'll be able to click on the quiz and take the quiz. You have 30 minutes to take that. So make sure that you spend a good amount of time, dedicate a good amount of time to taking the quiz. Okay. So the next assignment after the weight training quiz is going to be the fitness logbook number 4. So today you'll be working out for at least 30 minutes on your own. So you don't need to record yourself, first of all, unless you want to, but just write down what you've done. You can do any type of workout you want. I added a CrossFit module on here, and you're welcome to use a workout from there. If it's not 30 minutes in duration, you can do it again, or if you can choose a second one from the list, or a third one, whatever. And you can record your workout in any format you want. You can refer to the fitness log examples and use those, or I've seen a lot of people just use an Excel spreadsheet that works really well, or Excel files, um, or was it Google Sheets? So that one works well too. And you are getting 10 points for this logbook. So make sure that you're putting the following things down. So you get 1 point for the date of the exercise session. Okay. Details of your workout, including exercise performed, sets, reps. So make sure you're writing this activity down as if I were to duplicate your workout, I would know exactly what you did. Okay, so make sure it's very specific. That's worth 5 points. And then total duration of your workout, make sure that it's at least 30 minutes in duration, and you get 2 points for that. And then your exercise intensity, or your RPE, and make sure you're using a scale of 1 to 10 in your description, 1 being easy, 10 being difficult, and that's worth 2 points. Okay, so you'll go ahead and submit that one in the submit assignment box. If you click on that, it gives you all these different ways to submit it to me. If you want to click it as a file, a text entry, if you have a Google Doc that you want to submit, if you want to submit a video, that's great, you can, or you can even submit it straight from your Google Drive. So those are all your options to how to submit this one to me. Okay, so those are going to be your assignments for, I'm going to leave this real quick. Those will be your assignments for Monday/Tuesday, and then for Wednesday/Thursday, you're going to do your mile, and same thing, same format we've been doing. You guys have been doing a really good job with that. I'm able to track you guys on my phone. I can see what you guys are doing, so keep it up. Make sure though, a lot of you guys are not sharing your run with me, so please do that. I put a file in extra files, or how-to videos in the module, and it shows how to share the route on Nike. If you're using Nike, if you have Strava, it automatically shows up on the feed, so that's a lot easier too. And make sure that when you are using Strava, you change it to run if you're running, or if you're riding a bike, you change it to ride. And if you are riding, it's got to be 3 miles of riding a bicycle. And then if you are doing, so make sure I'm awarding points and breaking the points down, because I'm not seeing some of these things when you're submitting it to me. So 2 points awarded for distance, 3 points for the map, 3 points awarded for mile time, and 2 for the date. So I need to see all of these on your screenshot. Okay, and make sure that you're screenshotting these runs to me. Okay, and then your indoor run, if you plan to run on a treadmill indoors, I need to see the following things. I need to see your photo with your distance, your time, and then if you want to take a selfie, that's fine, or if you want to put a post-it, name, date, and then the word of the week is sweat. So this is the point breakdown. 1 point here for name, 1 for date, 2 for the word of the week, and then you get 3 for each distance and for time. Some of the dashboards on the treadmills show distance, and then you have to split the screen to show time. Then submit 2 photos for me. That's fine. I can look through both of them. So that's your mile run assignment. And then the last assignment for the week is going to be, we're going to post yet again another discussion board. I thought that went really well, so we're going to try that again. So based off the research topic you researched last week, you're going to create a workout from that one. Okay, so whatever your topic was that you picked, you're going to write a workout, make sure it has at least 6 to 8 exercises, make sure it is based off of what you wrote about last week, and then you're just going to submit it on the discussion board to share. And as you can guess, the following week, your classmates will pick one of the workouts that are posted on discussion board, and they're going to use that to work out with. So all you do to do that is, once you have your workout written down, you can copy and paste it, just hit reply, and then you can submit it here, or you can use any of these files to submit it. Okay, so however you want to do it, just make sure you're very clear with what you're doing, very detailed, because a lot of feedback that I got from a lot of the other students was that some of the instructions weren't clear, some exercises that may not, some of the kids didn't know what some of the exercises were. So make sure that when you are putting your information, your details, you're explaining exactly what you're doing. I noticed a lot of people did use this grid, and that's fine. You can do that if you want to make sure that it's in rounds. Just make sure your workout is at least 30 minutes in duration. I know some of you guys created workouts and you said it was 30 minutes, but when kids were actually doing it, it was only taking them 5 minutes. So please, please, please make sure that you are taking time out, creating a good, solid workout that your classmates can do, and it's going to be a pretty decent workout for them. Okay. And as always, if you have any questions, you can either send me a message through inbox, you can chat with me here, and I'll be happy to help you guys out. I'm doing office hours by appointment only, so if you want to do office hours with me, please send me an email so we can set something up. Okay? Thank you, guys. Have a good week.